How to log into your CRA account. What is up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your CRA account. The Canada Revenue Agency is the revenue service of the Canadian federal government and most provincial and territorial governments. The CRA collects taxes, administers tax laws and policy, and delivers benefit programs and tax credits. So if you want to log into your CRA account, you're going to have to search for CRA on your web browser. Once you see this, the official website will pop up as your first result. Then you can just open up this link, sign into your CRA account, and you'll be taken to this page. Now, if you want to change language, you can tap here to change it to French. And if you scroll down, you'll have multiple options to sign into your account. You can use your sign-in partner to log in, or you can use CRA user and ID, or your provincial partner. I recommend you use the second option. And now you'll be taken to a different website here, so just wait for it to load completely. Now on this login portal, you'll just have to enter your user ID and your password. Make sure that both of these are correct. And once you enter your user ID and then your password, you can just simply tap on the sign in option and you will be directly signed into your account. But you have to make sure to enter your correct ID and your correct password. In case you forgot your ID, you can just tap on this one to recover it. And in case you have forgotten your password, just tap right here to recover your password. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.